Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to upload a video on Steam. So to upload a video on Steam, you must have a Steamworks developer account and then a game or app registered in Steamworks and a video file. So once you log in into your Steamworks, you can simply sign in with your Steam developer account and select your game from your dashboard. So now once you are in your videos section, you can simply associate the videos with the game by giving it a title, like associate with the game that you are uploading a video of. If you're uploading a video of Among Us tutorial, simply associate with Among Us. After you have done this, you need to simply tap on add video, which is on the added to your profile section. And once you do this, you can simply select the video you want to upload from your device, which will now be uploaded in your Steam. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for many interesting and updating videos.